In today's video, you will see new power tools from Milwaukee, Festool, and Makita built for serious job site and workshop performance. This lineup covers advanced compressors, precision woodworking tools, high-torque drivers, cordless blowers, and more, all designed to deliver stronger power, better accuracy, and improved efficiency. Dialing in clean conduit bends feels far less demanding with the Milwaukee M18 fuel branch conduit bender doing the heavy lifting. High torque output pairs with smart, repeatable control to take the guesswork out of every pull, keeping bends accurate and consistent. Electrical metallic tubing, intermediate metal conduit, and rigid conduit are all handled with confidence, helping cut down on rework and wasted material. Cordless operation keeps things lightweight and reduces physical strain, making long days easier to manage. A built-in digital interface helps lock in precise angles and smooth transitions, keeping workflow efficient on busy job sites. Powered by the Milwaukee M18 battery platform, the M18 fuel branch conduit bender delivers steady performance without cords slowing things down. Working in tight spots feels far easier when compact power comes into play, and the Milwaukee M12 fuel ratchets are built exactly for that kind of challenge. Strong torque is packed into a slim, comfortable design that slips easily into crowded engine bays, machinery frames, and awkward corners. Each pull of the trigger delivers smooth, controlled rotation, making precise fastening feel natural instead of forced. Brushless motor technology adds durability while helping speed up fastening and cut down on downtime. A low-profile head improves access where traditional hand tools struggle to fit. Supported by the Milwaukee M12 battery platform, the M12 fuel ratchets keep tasks moving with reliable runtime for automotive, maintenance, and repair work. Clearing dust and debris does not have to be a hassle when controlled airflow is on your side, and the Milwaukee M18 brushless precision blower delivers exactly that. Compact size meets impressive power, making it easy to clean job sites, workbenches, tools, vents, and tight corners where dust builds up fast. Strong, steady airflow comes from a brushless motor designed for longer runtime and quieter operation, whether working inside or outside. Multiple speed settings give you full control, letting you gently move fine sawdust or push heavier debris when needed. Lightweight handling helps reduce fatigue during longer workdays. Built for efficiency and everyday cleanup, the M18 brushless precision blower fits perfectly into a Milwaukee setup focused on keeping workspaces clean and organized. Smoother screw driving with less noise makes daily work more comfortable, and the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge Hex hydraulic driver is built for that exact purpose. Hydraulic drive keeps sound levels low while reducing vibration and kickback, which is especially useful for indoor or noise-sensitive jobs. Controlled torque delivery helps maintain accuracy on delicate materials while still providing enough strength for demanding fastening tasks. A brushless motor adds durability, better efficiency, and dependable runtime throughout long workdays. Compact sizing improves access in tight spaces, making installations and remodel work easier to manage. Designed for consistent performance and quieter operation, the M18 Fuel Surge Hex hydraulic driver brings a refined feel to everyday fastening without sacrificing power. Heavy snowfall feels far more manageable when cordless power takes over, and the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Auger-Propelled snowblower is built for serious winter clearing. An auger-driven system pulls the machine forward, reducing effort while cutting through deep, packed snow with ease across driveways, walkways, and wider areas. Strong throwing distance and a consistent clearing path help maintain steady performance in harsh conditions. Two M18 batteries deliver gas-like power without fumes, maintenance, or pull start hassle. A brushless motor keeps operations smooth even in wet, heavy snow. Durable steel construction and bright LED lights make early mornings and late nights easier to handle. Designed for reliable winter performance, the M18 fuel auger-propelled snowblower keeps paths clear with less stress. Tight underhood work gets a lot easier when space is limited, and the Milwaukee Subcompact impact wrench with friction ring kit is built exactly for that situation. Compact sizing at 4.5 inches long and 2 inches wide lets it slip into confined areas without extensions or adapters. Paired with a high-capacity 2.5 amp-hour battery, it delivers up to 225 foot-pounds of torque and faster application speeds to help finish jobs sooner. Lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue during longer tasks. Clear visibility comes from tri-LED work lights, while a variable speed trigger and 4-mode drive control allow precise power adjustment. Auto shutoff helps prevent over-tightening, and bolt removal mode slows rotation once a fastener breaks free. Designed for convenience and performance, the Milwaukee Subcompact impact wrench excels in automotive and tight space applications. Demolition and framing work moves fast, and having a blade that keeps up makes all the difference. The Milwaukee Carbide circular saw blade is built for long-lasting performance, handling over 400 nails, 50 screws, and 120 feet of shingles without slowing down. Carbide teeth provide up to 5 times the lifespan in wood with nails compared to other blades, while a diamond venting system cuts down heat buildup for straighter, cleaner cuts. It slices through wet lumber, treated wood, plywood, and laminated materials like LVL with ease. Compatible with both corded and cordless saws, this blade offers versatile, reliable performance for professionals who need speed and durability on every job site. Tough cutting jobs get a cordless boost with the Milwaukee MX Fuel Cutoff Saw featuring RAPIDSTOP brake, delivering gas-like power without the usual engine hassles. Its power-state brushless motor slices through concrete, rebar, and ductile iron, with a push-button start making getting going effortless. Safety stays front and center with the RAPIDSTOP blade brake and kickback control, stopping the blade in 3 seconds during normal or kickback situations. Running on 2 MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge 8 amp-hour batteries, it handles 28 feet of concrete or 240 cuts of 5 rebar on a single charge. Cool Cycle Active Cooling and RedLink Plus intelligence keep the tool protected and running efficiently. Onboard water connections and a load light help extend blade life and minimize mess, making the Milwaukee MX Fuel Cutoff Saw a precise, safe choice for demanding job sites. Cutting rebar becomes faster and safer with the Milwaukee Rebar Cutter, designed to keep projects moving without delays. It delivers clean, controlled cuts while minimizing sparks, improving job site safety and efficiency. Ergonomic handles and intuitive controls reduce fatigue during long shifts, and blade changes are quick and secure to keep work flowing. Built tough for harsh job site conditions, this tool offers reliable performance day after day. Fully compatible with the M18 system, it works seamlessly with Milwaukee batteries and accessories, giving consistent power and versatility. For iron workers who need speed, precision, and safety, the Milwaukee Rebar Cutter makes handling steel rods smoother and more efficient on every job site. Sanding tight corners, curves, and intricate shapes becomes effortless with Festool Granat Profile Abrasives, designed for precision where regular sandpaper falls short. These abrasives provide consistent cuts, long-lasting durability, and smooth finishes on even the most complex surfaces. Perfect for molding, furniture curves, or detailed trim work, they remove material evenly without clogging or leaving scratches. Specialized shapes fit the surface for controlled pressure and accuracy with minimal effort. When paired with Festool sanders, they offer excellent dust extraction, keeping workspaces cleaner and extending abrasive life. Festool Granat Profile Abrasives deliver professional-grade results for detailed woodworking projects, making precision sanding faster, easier, and more reliable. Precision and control take center stage with the Festool MFKC 700KA, designed to deliver flawless edges on laminates and veneers. Its balanced center of gravity and wide 130mm base ensure stability, while the advanced ball-bearing guide brake prevents sudden stops that could mar surfaces. An improved dust extraction system with an anti-static channel clears chips efficiently, keeping the workspace clean and visibility clear. Powered by a brushless EC-TEC motor and an 18-volt Bluetooth battery, it can automatically trigger the dust extractor. Depth adjustments accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter allow every pass to produce smooth, streak-free finishes, making the MFKC 700KA perfect for delicate, detail-oriented finishing projects. Safety and precision come first with the Festool Cordless Circular Saw HKC 55K, built to handle demanding cuts without compromise. Integrated kickback stop technology detects sudden upward blade movement and stops it instantly, protecting both hands and material. A brushless EC-TEC motor spins up to 5,200 RPM, delivering strong performance powered by the latest 8 amp-hour battery for long workdays. When paired with the FSK cross-cutting guide rail, it transforms into a mobile miter saw, letting you make precise, repeatable cuts on rooftops, job site floors, or anywhere else. Festool designed the HKC 55K to combine portability, safety, and professional-grade cutting performance in one compact tool. Modern joinery gets a serious upgrade with the Festool Domino DF500R, a system that combines speed with strength. Patented pendulum cutting lets the bit rotate and oscillate, creating clean, perfectly sized mortises without burning or chatter. Oval domino tenons fit securely, offering a larger glue surface and full rotation resistance for stronger joints. Built-in stop pins eliminate marking and measuring, speeding up work while keeping precision intact. From cabinetry to furniture assembly, the Domino system produces reliable, repeatable joints that blend professional efficiency with the craftsmanship of traditional mortise and tenon techniques. Surface finishing becomes faster and cleaner with the Festool HLC82, a planer designed to leave wood silky smooth on the first pass. A single spiral blade slices fibers cleanly using a pulling action, reducing the need for extra sanding and combining two steps into one. Its brushless EC-TEC motor delivers consistent power even at the full 2.5mm cutting depth. For chamfering, the sole plate includes 3 V-grooves, offering multiple edge bevel options. Lightweight and cordless, the HLC82 packs precision, power, and finish quality into one tool, making it ideal for woodworkers looking to save time while achieving professional results. Stability and precision take center stage with the Festool OF1010R router, a corded tool designed for accurate, controlled cuts. Dual column clamps secure both sides simultaneously, eliminating flex and keeping the base steady. An integrated LED light ring illuminates the work area without shadows, making cut lines clearly visible. Depth adjustments precise to 1/256th of an inch, along with a tool-free parallel guide, reduce errors and provide full control for detailed routing tasks, ensuring professional results every time. Small in size but big on performance, the Festool CXS-TXS12 cordless drill is built for assembly and installation tasks that demand precision. Lightweight and available in both C-shape and T-shape ergonomic designs, it feels comfortable in tight spaces. The 12-volt brushless EC-TEC motor delivers strong torque, and the Fast Fix interface lets it work with Festool's 18-volt drill attachments, including right angle, offset, and Centrotech chucks. This combination gives the versatility of a full-size drill in a compact package, perfect for detailed, precise work. Accuracy and safety go hand in hand with the Festool TSC55 track saw, designed for precise, controlled cuts. An adjustable kickback stop reduces the risk of blade rebound while keeping operation smooth. Concentrated torque helps speed up cutting and extend blade life, boosting efficiency for repeated use. Dust collection is top-notch, whether using the onboard bag or a Bluetooth-connected extractor, keeping both visibility and workspace clean. Ideal for shop or job site use, the TSC55 track saw combines professional performance with reliable precision and protection. Long workdays stay comfortable thanks to the Makita DCW180 AC cooler and warmer, offering 21 quarts of storage for meals and drinks. 4 cooling modes reach as low as 15 degrees Fahrenheit, while 2 warming modes heat up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by a single 18-volt LXT battery, 2 6-amp-hour packs deliver about 5 hours of cooling at 15 degrees or up to 17 hours at 40 degrees. Its compressor style chills quickly and maintains steady temperatures. Built for outdoor use, it carries an IPX4 water-resistant rating and includes a built-in USB port to keep devices charged throughout the day. Projects move faster and cleaner thanks to the Makita XTS02 narrow crown stapler, built for cordless speed and precision. Driving staples sub-flush in both hardwood and softwood, its slim nose fits easily into tight corners. Weighing just 6.3 pounds with a battery, it stays comfortable during long sessions. A 5-amp-hour battery fires up to 4,250 shots per charge, leading its class. Switching between bump fire and sequential modes is simple, and tool-free depth adjustment let you dial in the perfect setting quickly. Non-marring nose protection and an LED work light keep surfaces safe and visibility high, making this stapler ideal for fast, professional results. HVAC work gets precise and efficient with the Makita CFM dual-stage vacuum pump, engineered for deep, accurate vacuum performance. Its oil-sealed dual-stage rotary vane system reaches down to 3 pascals, ideal for tasks requiring exact measurements. Moving 113 liters per minute, it runs on a single battery or can use 2 6-amp-hour batteries for up to 60 minutes of continuous operation. Lightweight, at just 18.1 pounds, it stays portable without sacrificing power. A 300 milliliter oil reservoir allows longer sessions, and dual inlet ports, 5/16 and 3/8 of an inch, provide versatility for field applications. Finishing work feels faster and more precise with the Makita XN04 brad nailer, firing 18-gauge brads from 9/16 to 2 inches in both hardwood and softwood. Its slim nose fits easily into tight corners, and at just 6.1 pounds with a battery, it stays comfortable during long sessions. A 5-amp-hour battery provides up to 4,250 shots per charge. Tool-free depth adjustment, a quick-release nose for jams, and an anti-dry fire system protect both surfaces and the tool. Switching between bump fire and sequential modes is simple, and an LED light ensures every brad lands exactly where it should. These are the latest power tools from Milwaukee, Festool, and Makita. Tell us which one caught your eye, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.